Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Landing board. From this board to the landing board. Watch. There you go. There you go. Look at this. They can't take off. Right to the landing board. Right to the feeding tray. Hungry. Look, folks, I'm back. I'm back from vacation. You can see I already have the tipplers in training. Simple. Doing my thing here at the Red Eye Loft. We'll keep everyone updated and posted. Thank you for watching. Nino, Carlos, Stan, check it out. See? And I just got back from vacation today. Sunday, fun day. Later. Here we go on this Tippler Talk Tuesday. Welcome back, folks. Before I get with this video, I was just watching the pine trees above my shed, and I saw a huge hawk just fly out of it. I guess the hawks are back. I started settling my birds way too late. That's the way it goes. Last week's episode, I had taped the wings on 6 birds, 6 tipplers. Today I am going to just get them going from the board, from this feeding tray over to the top of the loft. And they can't fly very far, and hopefully a hawk doesn't come by and scare them pretty badly. But let's see what we can do. Continuing with last week's video, what I have here is barley, straight barley, as you can see. Straight barley, that's all I'm feeding them. That's all they're getting. Whistle, they respond to the whistle very well. Right now they're sitting in the aviary, ready to go. Let's see if we can get them going. Here they come. Just with the whistle. And there you go. Real quick, they can't take off pretty far. Right there to the board. You see that? There you go. It's good to see them responding. You see that guy fly up? Look at that. Just enough to fly back and forth. They know the deal already. I'll try to get them up there. Once they get done down here, very little, I'm gonna put some feed up there. Watch them. Watch how they work. Watch how they respond. Now, one of the YouTube viewers last week posted a comment. I appreciate the comment. I love the comment. He said old school style, or tape is old school, whatever. He is correct. There you go. But for those that don't know, it's new. So we have to share the information, even though we know it all. Some things we don't keep it to ourselves. We have to, share it with everyone else and teach someone else. This is an old method. Look at this. Right back, responding right back to what I want. Not far. You see, and this way, once they establish that they can go from the board to the aviary to the top of the aviary, then I'll go ahead and remove the tape, and then they can take flight, and maybe I could call them down quickly. I have no droppers right now ready, so it is what it is. I'll just work with what I have. When I whistle, they will get fed, okay? Watch this, folks. Now let me put it up here. You can see part of the, here we go. That guy is wrong. He went inside. He should have went up to the board. He lost. You gotta go up. You gotta go up, big guy. See, and there they go. They're eating. Very good. See, just keep them enough hungry just to go up and down, and that's all I want. We're gonna get them back in the coop. I don't want them out too long. The hawks around. Right now, they don't need to be caught. I can hear the blue jays. I see the doves. Here's the hawk right here. You better get going. Okay, he went after a dove. He needs to keep going. Yep. So, I knew the hawk was around. Let me get these guys inside. And this is the way I do it. Put the tray back in here. Now, I'll transition. I'll get them up here. Okay, come on, guy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me get this guy back out. Come on. Get them all on the board. Now they're all gonna fly up to the top, and I'm gonna bring them inside. There they go. As you can see, I'm going to get them inside now. Come on. Let's get them back inside. Come on. There it is. Now I'm gonna put it out here. And that's it, folks. That's all we have. Last 4 days, I was on a cruise. I was on the Virgin ship. Had a great time for the last 4 days. Got back Sunday. Let these guys out on Sunday, the first day out. They did great. I got them out today, Monday. They did great. This will be on this Tippler Talk Tuesdays episode. You'll see it tomorrow. And I'm also going to show you that while I was out in the Bahamas, Bimini, Bahamas, I was able to video a grizzle, a nice grizzle, common. Wild to see those colors out there. Everywhere you go around the world, colors are out there. Not your basic blue bar, blue checker, but there are colors out there. And that's pretty neat too. Like always, if you have any questions, go ahead, put it in the comments. Call me, 321-794-7284. Trying to train these guys so we can get them up, get them going, and see what they'll do this year. I know it's getting hot. Here it is, it's May. The heat is going to be against me, but hey, we can't give up. We got to keep going. And we'll try to do the best. So stay tuned, folks. Thank you for watching, and we'll keep it athletics over aesthetics. Later. All right, folks, Tipple Talk Tuesday. Guess what? I am in Key West. Key West. You can see the colors. Key West. Check it out. I'm gonna show you Grizzle. Where's that Grizzle? Grizzle Common. Oh, let me see if I can get a video of it. Here it is. A grizzle with a red eye. Damn, that bird needs to be at the red eye loft. Check it out, folks. A common. Nice. Where'd it go? All right. It's up there somewhere. Disappeared. All right, folks. Enjoying my day. Key West.
Should I have faith in you? Should I put my trust in you? And should you let me down? Should I flirt around? Why should I think this way? Thinking that you're going away. There ain't no way we'll stay together.